Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into Thailand's legendary street food scene. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we journey through bustling markets and hidden alleyways. From the iconic Pad Thai to the tangy explosion of Som Tum, we're about to embark on a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. So, loosen your belts, grab your chopsticks, and get ready to experience the magic of Thailand's street food, one incredible bite at a time. Ah, Pad Thai. It's a beautiful harmony of textures and tastes, a true masterpiece crafted on sizzling hot woks across Thailand. Imagine this: springy rice noodles glistening with savory tamarind sauce, tossed with fresh bean sprouts, firm tofu, and a sprinkle of chopped peanuts. But here's the secret. It's all about that fiery breath of chili, that hint of sour lime, that touch of sweetness that dances on your tongue. The history of Pad Thai is as rich as its flavor, originating in the 1930s as a national dish. No matter its origin, one thing's for sure: Pad Thai is pure comfort food, a dish that satisfies the soul and leaves you craving more. Whether you like it mild or fiery, with chicken, prawns, or just vegetables, Pad Thai is a must-try for any food lover visiting Thailand. Next time you see a street vendor tossing those noodles in the air, grab a plate and experience the magic for yourself. Get ready for a flavor explosion with Som Tum, Thailand's beloved papaya salad. This dish is fiery, tangy, and utterly addictive. Imagine the crunch of unripe papaya shredded to perfection, tossed in a large mortar with plenty of chilies, pungent garlic, tangy lime juice, and salty fish sauce. The flavors are pounded together, releasing an irresistible aroma that fills the air. The sweetness of palm sugar cuts through the heat, while the umami of the fish sauce adds a savory depth. It's a symphony of flavors, each ingredient playing a crucial role in creating this unforgettable dish. You'll often find Som Tum served with sticky rice, a perfect way to soak up all those incredible juices. And if you're feeling adventurous, try it with fermented crab, Som Tum Pupla Ra, for an extra kick. Step up to a Som Tum stall and watch as the vendor pounds those flavors to perfection. It's a true taste of Thailand. Prepare to satisfy your sweet tooth with mango sticky rice. This iconic Thai dessert is a match made in heaven. The sweetness of ripe mango paired perfectly with the creamy, comforting embrace of sticky rice. Picture this: perfectly ripe mango, its golden flesh practically bursting with sweetness, sliced with care and artfully arranged beside a mound of glistening sticky rice. And the final touch? A generous drizzle of sweet, creamy coconut milk, cascading over the rice like a waterfall of pure indulgence. The magic of mango sticky rice lies in its simplicity, celebrating fresh, high-quality ingredients. The sweetness of the mango, the subtle saltiness of the coconut milk, and the gentle chewiness of the sticky rice. It's a symphony of textures and tastes. You'll find mango sticky rice all over Thailand, from street stalls to fancy restaurants. So, next time you're craving something sweet, skip the chocolate cake and treat yourself to a plate of mango sticky rice. It's a taste of Thai sunshine, a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most delicious. Get ready to warm your soul with Tom Yum Goong, Thailand's iconic spicy and sour soup. This is not your average soup. Tom Yum is a flavor explosion, a fiery, tangy, and utterly addictive broth. Imagine a fragrant broth simmering away, infused with lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Plump prawns bob on the surface, their sweetness complementing the tangy broth, while mushrooms add an earthy depth. The magic of Tom Yum lies in its perfect balance of flavors. The sourness of lime juice cuts through the richness of the coconut milk, while the heat of the chilies is tempered by the sweetness of the prawns. Tom Yum Goong is a true celebration of Thai ingredients, showcasing the country's love for bold flavors and aromatic spices. It's the kind of soup that warms you from the inside out, perfect for a chilly evening or a midday pick-me-up. Next time you see a street vendor ladling out steaming bowls of Tom Yum, grab a spoon and experience the magic. Get ready for smoky, savory goodness with satay, those irresistible grilled meat skewers beloved in Thailand. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water: smoky, charred meat, kissed by flames and dipped in a rich, creamy peanut sauce. Imagine tender pieces of marinated meat, threaded onto bamboo skewers, grilled over hot coals, creating a beautiful caramelized crust. The real star of the show is the peanut sauce, rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Each bite is an explosion of textures and tastes, the tender meat, the crispy charred bits, and that luxuriously smooth peanut sauce. Satay is often served with sides like cucumber relish and ketupat, steamed rice cakes that soak up all that delicious sauce. Next time you see a satay vendor fanning those flames, grab a skewer, or 5. Dunk it in that glorious peanut sauce, and experience the magic of satay. It's a communal dish, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying, and that's certainly true for khao pad, Thailand's beloved fried rice. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This dish is packed with flavor, a testament to the power of fresh ingredients and masterful wok skills. Imagine fluffy jasmine rice, each grain separate and perfectly cooked, tossed in a wok with garlic, chilies, and fish sauce. Eggs are scrambled in, adding richness and protein, while vegetables like onions, tomatoes, and spring onions bring freshness and crunch. The beauty of khao pad lies in its versatility. You can add your protein of choice chicken, pork, prawns, tofu, or keep it vegetarian. Khao pad is often served with a squeeze of lime juice and a sprinkle of fresh coriander, adding a burst of freshness. It's a complete meal in a bowl, satisfying, flavorful, and oh so comforting. Next time you're craving a taste of home, or simply want a delicious and satisfying meal, look no further than khao pad. Get ready for a flavor combination that will have you hooked from the first bite. We're talking about mu ping, those irresistible grilled pork skewers. Sweet, savory, and with a hint of smokiness, these skewers are a true testament to the magic of Thai marinade. Imagine tender pieces of pork, marinated in a blend of garlic, soy sauce, palm sugar, and coriander root. The skewers are then grilled over hot coals, the flames caramelizing the marinade and creating a beautiful char on the pork. Mu ping is often served with a side of sticky rice and a spicy dipping sauce, the perfect way to cut through the richness of the pork. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, the sweetness of the marinade, the smokiness of the grill, and the satisfying chew of the pork. Next time you see those skewers sizzling on the grill, grab a few, dip them in that spicy sauce, and experience the magic of mu ping. It's a taste of Thailand that will have you coming back for more. Let's satisfy that sweet craving with roti glue, those crispy, sweet, and utterly irresistible banana pancakes. Imagine the aroma of sweet bananas caramelizing on a hot griddle, the sizzle of batter hitting the heat, the anticipation of that first warm, gooey bite. Picture thin sheets of dough, stretched and flipped with expert precision on a hot griddle, with slices of ripe banana nestled inside. The roti is folded into a neat square, the edges crispy and golden brown, the center soft and pillowy, filled with warm, gooey banana. A drizzle of sweetened condensed milk adds a touch of decadence, while a sprinkle of sugar adds an extra layer of sweetness. Some vendors even offer chocolate sauce, Nutella, or shredded coconut for a contrasting crunch. Roti glue is the perfect street food dessert. Portable, affordable, and utterly satisfying. Next time you see a roti glue vendor flipping those pancakes with such skill, grab one, choose your toppings, and experience the magic. Get ready for a treat that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Today, we're diving into the world of khanom buang, those delicate, crispy Thai crepes. Vibrant colors, intricate designs, and a symphony of flavors. That's khanom buang. Thin batter spreads on a hot griddle, forming a delicate lace doily. The edges crisp up, forming a golden halo. Toppings range from fluffy meringue to savory shrimp. Folded in half, each bite contrasts crispy and soft textures. Khanom buang is a testament to the artistry of Thai cuisine. Get ready to slurp your way to noodle nirvana with boat noodles, a true icon of Thai street food. This isn't just any noodle soup. It's a rich, flavorful, and utterly satisfying experience. Imagine a steaming bowl of flavorful broth, simmered for hours with a blend of spices and herbs, with thin rice noodles swimming in the broth. Boat noodles are known for their intense flavor, a result of the concentrated broth and the addition of pork blood, which adds a unique depth and richness. The broth is seasoned to perfection with fish sauce, sugar, and chilies, creating a balance of sweet, salty, and spicy. You can choose from a variety of toppings, including pork, beef, meatballs, or even fish balls. Boat noodles are traditionally served in small portions, allowing you to sample a variety of flavors. Wow, what a journey through the flavors of Thailand. From the fiery kick of samtam to the sweet embrace of mango sticky rice, we've explored the diversity and deliciousness of Thai street food. I hope this video has inspired you to grab your chopsticks and embark on your own culinary adventure. Remember, the best way to experience a culture is through its food, and Thailand has a lot to offer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more food adventures, and let me know in the comments which dish you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy eating!